Why developing WordPress pages hits hard and burns slow.
That ether that make your soul burn slow.
Let's get it. All right, so first things first, we're going to start off with the complexity of WordPress. Yes, WordPress can be complex. We got everything from the elements of WordPress that would be pages and posts, media, plugins, navigation or menus, themes, widgets, embeds, and forms. And it just doesn't stop there. As you can see, I took a screenshot from Google, and there are so many things that WordPress can involve. So I believe this is one of the reasons why sometimes building out a page can hit you hard. Next, we have plugin overload. So what I mean by that is choosing your page building tech stack, building out pages with your plugins, and even staying up to date with the updates. Why does it take ID to get ID? Well, if I had ID, I wouldn't need ID. That's how I be feeling with WordPress sometimes. It's just the plugins are just a kid in a candy store. I don't know which one to choose, which one to pick. Then we have content creation, and I'm referring to SEO best practices with Google EAT, which stands for expertise, authority, and trust. And we'll talk more on that in another video. Using tools and DIY methods, meaning doing it yourself. If you don't have anybody else that can do it for you, you got to do it yourself. And then outsourcing projects and tasks. If you're not going to do it yourself, well, you're going to have to talk to somebody else to do it. And I just think that there's things that we can utilize like ChatGPT, Grammarly, for instance, or other people that can help us create content on our website. Next, we have content organization. So when it comes to content creation, you want to organize your content. So I'm referring to things like permalink structure, structuring your WordPress pages in the menu, managing on-page SEO, creating and submitting submaps to the search engines. This isn't an exclusive list, but just to give you some key details on content organization, you got to think about these things along with other things as well too. Next, we have performance tuning. So we're referring to page speed issues, speed performance optimization, and passing core web vitals. I think that is one of the biggest things, or kind of the biggest holdups, I believe, in a person's ability to just publish or to get it done, is because they're trying to or striving to get a 100 in Google's core web vitals. What you see here is a snapshot of real users' experiences. So only certain websites have this. Google will have enough data to create a real snapshot of what's going on. Otherwise, most of us are utilizing Google's simulation, kind of the matrix, that kind of thing. You know, it's a simulation. But don't get too caught up on tuning up your web pages if you are just looking to publish. If you're looking to just get started, just do it, like Nike. And then we have learning resources overload. I saved this one for last because I know that there are so many resources out there, tutorials and videos and blog posts, events you can go to that will help you learn more about WordPress, including this channel here. How ironic. However, sometimes we can't find the right resources. We get information overload. And then we have analysis paralysis, and we don't end up doing anything. So these are the things that I believe hinder most people from being able to get started or wanting to get started, or just publishing and just releasing what you have to the public. And that's why I said it can hit you hard and it can burn slow, because it can create an issue where you aren't getting anywhere fast because you're just overwhelmed with the task.
That ether that make your soul burn slow.
My name is Maestro Stevens with Iconic Templates. And if you have any questions, please add them in the comments below. Otherwise, if this video gave you value, please like and subscribe to the channel. Peace.